Alrighty, guys. You know what's crazy about this one? 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Uh, some people got a lot of money, guys. Get a load of this. The complaint. Let me turn this on. See if we can hear that. You hear that? So it go down with speed. Wow. So the blower motor working. Everything is cold, AC cold, whatever, but that little humming noise. Wow. Now, that's how you can tell who got money and who don't. See what I got? Ta-da. Yes. You know what's crazy? What's even crazier, right? Now, y'all know I try not to do the blower motors without the resistor. Okay? Some of them, I'm starting to see the blower motors come with the resistor already equipped with it. Alright? So that might be a better route for car makers to go. Okay? But at any rate, the resistor controls the speed of the blower motor. Now, that's if it's manual temp control, MTC. If it's automatic temp control, you will have what we call a power module. Okay, this is I'm assuming this is something like a computer. All right, it's a power module, but it controls. If you don't have a manual, it's ATC, automatic temperature control. You may be equipped with a power module. In other words, I do them in pairs. Okay, they feed off each other. Now, a blower motor is nothing more than a typical electrical motor. Yeah, a real motor, not like the one under your hood, guys. That's the engine. Okay, this is a motor. All right, it takes essentially 12 volts and ground right here. 2 prongs, 12 volts and ground to operate this. That makes this an electrical motor. Okay, yeah. Now the thing under your hood, it's gasoline combustion engine. But I know YouTube, yeah, the slang involved with being a YouTuber. I had to adapt, guys, for a while there. For the early part of my YouTube career, that bothered me, saying, yeah, man, I'm about to put another motor in that car. But then after I start finding out the YouTube algorithm don't feel right, don't adjust to the word engine. In other words, it can relate to the word motor more than it can the correct word engine. If you're speaking about anything under the hood. Yeah, so I simply adapt. You can't beat them, join them. Yeah, so every now and then I'll say the word, yeah, I'm getting ready to replace that motor. Some guy in the comment section, it's not a motor, it's an engine. Man, bro, what were you when I was fighting, having these battles early on in my YouTube career? It was like I was out there by myself. I finally said, the hell with that. I ain't arguing with nobody else. Yeah, you right, player. That's a motor under the hood. That's a motor. I'm not fighting with anybody. Okay. It is whatever the algorithm want it to be. Yeah, YouTubers are interested in views. All right. Yes, mostly views. Now, I already got the glove box off because I wanted to get a closer listen. Let's go. All right. Yeah. Guys, I don't want to be blamed for nothing. You see this? What I mean by rich customers. I don't want to put nobody business out there either, but yeah, I ain't touching that. I don't even want to know, because we got some porters in here, some oil change guys in here. If they saw that, they would go crazy. See opportunities. I wish the customers wouldn't come in here with stuff like that, money. All right, this is fairly easy. 3 bolts holding this up. I got the panel off. I got to get all this off. And 3 bolts, and it just, yeah, here go that connector that I was speaking about, that carries the 12 volt and ground coming from, in this case, the power module. Now, when I put that on, obviously, hopefully, that noise should go away. Now, another thing that would cause that noise, you need to be mindful of, if some leaves or something has gotten in here, guys, periodically you have to change your cabin air filter. Okay, don't sleep on this. This is very important to the operation of your AC system. This one looked fairly new, like somebody just replaced it. But I've taken these out a couple times and find leaves, borderline trees just trapped in there. you know, and making crazy noise. All right, so this will look fairly clean. But all right, let me get this blower motor and this resistor replaced. And like I say, this is not a tutorial on how to replace a blower motor. That's simply because it's easy as hell. 1, 2, 3, and maybe 4, and it pulls straight down. Put it back up. Put the screws back in. All right. I got all the screws out. Whoa. Okay. A couple of acorns. I don't want to touch that. Could that be causing it? I don't really hear no grounding noise. Maybe if this is spinning around. Man, customer want their damn blower motor replaced. You know what? Damn it, I'm replacing their blower motor. They didn't say find out why my blower motor making noise. For all I know, I had to verify that it blow, because they just come in and say how much we charge to replace blower motors. Well, anyway, you're getting a new one. This thing got 100-some thousand miles, so chances are in the near future it was gonna need this anyway. But I will not be putting these back in here. Alright guys, here go my little T20s. Alright, just like I say, set that up, put the screws back in, you're good. Alright, in fact, like I say, let's listen to it after we're done. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, let me try to get everything put back together like it was. Now guys, you know what I caught wind of? Power module and blower motor upwards of maybe $900. $900 freaking dollars for these two parts. Mopar, they Mopar quality parts, but good gracious. Alright, not only that, I don't know, man, those two little balls may have contributed to that noise. But you know, some people, I don't know, I'm not quite sure I would shell out $900. Forget the labor, just think about the parts alone. Just say if you mechanically inclined and you can do that yourself, $900 for some parts. Now let's see if it's shut up. There we go. There you go. It's gone. I fixed it. Yep, the noise gone. Let me get rid of these two balls. I don't want the customers to see these. It may have very well contributed to, matter of fact, I'm gonna make me a thumbnail picture. I'm gonna name this video something like, don't let these two balls cost you $900. No, that would be tacky. Alright, let me stop clowning around. JT, you play too damn much. Guys, I gotta go. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching.